Well, hello. This is a video from Miss B, Cooking with Miss B, welcome. And we are going to learn how to make the scrumdiddlyumptious sweets called Muddy Buddies. Or for Christmas, maybe we should call them snowman poop. Okay, what you're gonna need right here, few products. We need a Chex cereal. I like rice. Okay, we need peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. You need chocolate chips, and you can decide if you want semi-sweet, milk chocolate, or dark chocolate. All work, or white chocolate maybe. I've never tried it with that. That might be gross. You need some powdered sugar, and you will need a bowl for melting, so make sure this is microwave safe, and a bowl for mixing. So a bigger bowl that you can pour your Chex in, and you will need a large Ziploc bag to coat the Muddy Buddies. So I would also recommend having a spatula or two and a fork to mix things up, or spoon, fork or spoon. Okay, and so first thing we're gonna do is, I don't make this with measuring cups necessarily. I just go by how much Muddy Buddies I want. So we're gonna make a smaller batch today. So I'm just gonna put probably a hefty scoop of peanut butter in. Grab a spoon. Hefty scoop. Oh, actually, sorry. This was a rookie mistake that I made one time. I need to start melting the chocolate chips first, because if you put them in together, the chocolate chips and the peanut butter, the chocolate chips take longer to melt and it will burn. So it'll burn the chocolate chips. So we are going to I say maybe almost half the bag. In the melter. We're gonna pop it in the microwave. I like to just kind of check it a little bit, so I'm gonna put it in because we don't want it to burn, like I said. I'm gonna put it in for a minute to start out with. While that's going, I'm gonna get my peanut butter ready. I'm just gonna add the peanut butter to it once it goes. We can, while that's going as well, we can take our Chex cereal, open that up. I'm gonna put you guys right here. Open this up. And I'm just gonna pour however much I want. I would start with a little, so you can see if you made enough peanut butter and chocolate to go over the top of it. You can always add more Chex to the mixture, but first we want to make sure we have enough chocolate. Okay, so you might think, oh, that doesn't look like it's melted, but it actually is. But like I said, it takes a little longer. So, yep, that does not look melted enough. Not gonna add my peanut butter yet. I'm gonna put this back in. I'm gonna go 30 seconds this time. 30 seconds. So we want the chocolate chips to be semi-melted. So you want it to be kind of liquidy, so that when you put the peanut butter in, it won't burn. I've done that before, not fun. Okay, still looking good. I think that's gonna be almost done. The powdered sugar comes at the end. After we've mixed it up, we will put the powdered sugar in the Ziploc bag. And then, oh, this looks better. Let me show you guys. go, and I will mix it. Yes, okay. This is kind of what you want it like. Now I can add the peanut butter. And again, I'm just going to take a big scoop of peanut butter. It also depends on if you want it to taste more peanut buttery or more chocolatey. Of this, how many you put in. So once you make this a couple times, you're going to be like, oh, I would like more peanut butter. Or, I like it to taste more chocolatey. Okay, now I'm going to put this back in so it can melt together. Sometimes you get chocolate and peanut butter on your finger and you can lick it. But you probably don't want to do that if you're going to touch other things, if you're making this for other people. I'll wash my hands though. We are going to, at the end of this, we're going to make this more of a Christmas dish. Like I said, I've never made it for Christmas before. It's just Muddy Buddies. It's just a great treat. But for Christmas, we can call it snowman poop. And we can also put in some Christmas M&Ms. Where did I put those? Whoop. Christmas M&Ms to make it more Christmassy. Okay, let's check our mixture. We want it to be nice and runny so it can pour. I'll show you guys. That's looking good. No burntness. Okay, then you want to just make sure it is mixed well. So it looks kind of like a light brown. And we are ready to pour this onto our Chex Mix. Let me see if I can set you guys up here. Boop-a-doo. Okay, we have our bowl of Chex Mix, our Chex, cereal. And we're gonna take our chocolate and just pour it over the Chex. And this is the part where you can see, oh, I have not enough Chex cereal in there. And you can put a little bit more to use up all the chocolate. Most likely, you'll have made a good amount. Ooh. And I like to use this spatula, and I have this adorable little tiny one to get all the chocolate and peanut butter from the bowl. So you don't waste any of this delicious goodness. Bloop, bloop. And almost there. In we go. And there it is. Now gently, so we don't break all the Chex cereal. I mean, you will a little bit. We're going to mix this around. And we want to, the goal is to get all the Chex cereal coated with chocolate. This is hard to hold and to mix. So I'm gonna put you right here again and mix this up real fast. If you don't get it all coated, then some of your Chex cereal will not have the powdered sugar on it. The chocolate is what sticks to the powdered sugar. Oh, I think we made just the right amount. Woohoo! Almost coated. Now here's the fun part. Once we get this all coated, Okay, deliciously goodness. But I guarantee it'll taste even better. You might want to sneak a bite of this so you can taste the difference of once we put the powdered sugar on there. Okay, so now we need our Ziploc bag. And with this, we're gonna start off by putting a little powdered sugar. Now, powdered sugar can get everywhere, so please be careful with this. Don't sneeze in it. Okay. We're gonna put some powdered sugar at the bottom of this bag. Probably like that, just a little bit, okay? Then we're going to put our Muddy Buddy mixture in here, all of it. And you might need some help with this. It gets a little bit messy. Someone to hold the bag open for you, maybe. Let's see how I do. Working so far. Haven't spilled any, but I've made these many, many times. Okay. Have my cereal in there. Oh, I did get some on the side. Now, you are going to put some more powdered sugar on the top. Okay, just a nice dusting. Probably used maybe a third of the bag, okay? Now we have that. I know it looks weird, but we need to, you need to be really careful on this. You got to get this to zip all the way. And I wouldn't get all the air out of it, but I would get some of the air out of it. You need to zip it all the way. Make sure it's closed really tight. You might even fold over the top, okay? So that you're not gonna spill any. And here's the fun part. You can even sing a Christmas song while we do this. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to shake a bag full of chocolate and peanut butter. Hey! All right. And you can tell that it's done by almost all of the powdered sugar being used up. Now, are you ready for the final? Let me get a bowl to pour this into. You get the bowl that you're gonna serve it in. And here's what it looks like. Ooh. Ta-da! Delicious Muddy Buddies, and like I said, we can make this more Christmassy or snowman-proof by adding some Christmas M&Ms to the mixture. And voila. Delicious. I better taste it because maybe it's not delicious. Oh, so good. Oh, all right. Happy holidays. And I hope you enjoy these Muddy Buddies. Bye.